Assalamualaikum dear students. I hope you are very well. Welcome to online classes. Today we are giving lecture of class 7. Class 7 during classes beta we have done firstly 4 units. Today we are starting unit 5 and the name of unit 5 is exponents. So here is some questions in this unit I have noted on board. So inshallah first we learn about questions, then we start exercise. So question number 1 is here, what is exponent? Exponent क्या है? इसकी मीनिंग है कि exponent क्या है? Answer, the exponent tells the number of times the base number is multiplied by itself. Means exponent tells us that a number how many times it is multiplied. Means if exponent is 3 here, means an example there is written 10 power 3, means 3 is exponent. 3 is exponent. Okay, here 20 above 4 is exponent because 4 is telling here that 20 is multiplied by 4 times, 10 is multiplied by 3 times, 6 is multiplied by 2 times because exponent tells us a number how many times it is multiplied. So exponent just tell the number, means up of number any number is written, we say that this is exponent. So question number 2 is here, what is notation? Notation means निशानी क्या हो गया? So answer is the notation which expresses the product of an integer by itself several times is known as exponential notation. Means notation it is also like exponent, but the notation is telling a number, which number is of a number. Means here is 4, we say that 4 is exponential notation because 4 is exponential notation because 10 above 10 4 is written. Now in the notation tells us that a number how many times is multiplied. So here 4 is telling that 10 is multiplied by 4 times. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. If like this is coming, you can write like this way also. Means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Okay, so how many times we have multiplied 10? 1, 2, 3 times. So we can write an exponential form 10 multiplied by 3 means 10 power 3. It tells us that 10 is multiplied by 3 times. It is a notation, an exponential notation. Now some basic important laws in this unit, and it is most important that we know about laws. So first law is x multiplied by x. Here x power of upper power is m and here x power n, and answer is x m plus n. Means it is simply how we know that this law. Let's suppose a number is multiplied by itself, means x here is and we are multiplying by x. So simply when a number is multiplied by itself means same number, so we write same number, and here x power n, here x power n. So it is a rule when two numbers we are multiplying in algebra. When two numbers we are multiplying and powers are also, means here power n, here powers n, powers are added. Means power हम add करते हैं. Multiply condition है. Power here power is n and here power is n. Means plus sign we give n plus n. If here is a number means simply it is now 2 above 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So how we solve? 2 same, right? 2 plus 3, right? Means 2 above 5. Power we are adding in first law. In first law, base is same, powers are different. So base we write same and powers we will add. Second law of this unit is x multiplied by n. Now here bases are different. Means first is x, second is y, but powers are same. So how we write? If x multiplied by y. Okay, power here is n, here is n. Now we see that powers are same. So when x multiplied by y, answer is coming xy. Power on both power is same, so write power here n. How we know? When we write in this condition, we know that it is whole power. We are getting that it is whole power, means n is above x also, n is above y also, means it is whole power. So it is clear now. If we means clear, write say x power n, y power n. It is multiplication sign, means both sides are equal. So number third lies x power n divided by x power n. In a division form, means in a fraction form, we can write that how. Let's suppose x power n divided by x power n. Here powers are different, so we will write in a condition of friction. How we write in condition of friction? Means x down of x. X down of x you can write, or you can take single x, just x powers. In a multiplication, power we are adding, in a division power we are subtracting, means n minus n. From m we subtract n. Just in division form we are subtracting, in multiplication form we are adding powers. When powers should be same but bases are different, so we write common power. Number 4 lies here x divided by y. Now here bases are different but powers are same. Bases are different and powers are same. How we know? See now. X power n divided by y power n, means powers are same but bases are different, so we write x upon y. Means in fraction form we know that down one is quotient and upper is product, so it is divided by x, y is divided by x, and power is same, so we write whole power. Number 5th lies here x power n whole power n, means 2 times power is given. What? First base is x, power is m power n, means 2 times power is given. So here I write here x power n means when a power coming, we multiply power with power, means x same but power multiplied by power. M multiplied by n, answer is n. Simply in numbers, how we write? Let's suppose here is 2 power above 2 power is 3 and above 3 power is 4. How we know? Now base is 2, we write same, but 3 multiplied by 4. Now 3 multiplied by 4, answer is coming 3 for the 12, means up to there is a 12. Like this way we solve, and last law of this unit is x power 0 is equal to 1. Firstly, we have cleared, today again I am clearing that when any number up of power is 0, it is coming equal to 1. Let's suppose there is x power n multiplied by divided by x power n, means we can write it in a condition of x power n minus n according to rule of third, means when bases are same, powers we are subtracting in division. So here power we are subtracting, means from n cut, then answer is 0. When any number is coming out of means any number 0 is power, it is coming equal to 1. So here x power is 0, means it is equal to 1. So students, hope that you have understood these definitions and these some laws. Inshallah, in the exercise again we clear about laws and about definitions. Till that, hope that you have understood this lecture whole. Inshallah, we will learn more in next video. Allah Hafiz, take care.